Hi. So, oops. That's fine. Today, for my very first test trial of a video, I'm going to do a clothing haul from all the clothes I bought from Brandy Melville. So I got some shirts and some pants. One pair of pants actually. Oh my god, my dogs are so annoying. Okay. Anyways, there's nothing up there. One second. Hey! What? Shut up! Nothing. Fred! What? You want a treat? Okay. What do you have? He brought me a toy. You want this? Go fetch. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna pretend we don't hear the barking. Oh, I just sat on my laptop. That's cool. So, I think I might do a try on too, but I'm gonna have to film it at a different time because I'm going to take my dog for a swim at the lake and I don't have a watch on. And I don't know, I have to leave in like 30 minutes. So, to start, I got this blue periwinkle, focus, like thermal crop top sweater type thing from Brandy Melville. It's really cute, it feels really nice, I feel like I can layer it nicely. It was only $18, which actually isn't really that bad. It's a nice thick, I don't think it's see-through, it doesn't look see-through, so that'll be nice to layer with like jeans or something. And then next, I got this bright pink crop top that's like button up. And it's like kind of the same material. No, it's not. It's not like a thermal material. It's just got like, it's ribbed. And it's a cute little like baby doll shirt that I think might be cute for, I don't know, wearing under a jean jacket or something maybe. I don't know. When I try all this on, I'll try to pair it with things to make it look good, but we'll see what that ends up to be like. And next is this white cropped long sleeve, kind of like the blue one, but it's not a thermal, it's like a little cardigan. And I've been watching other videos and that's really what made me like try on videos. And a lot of people are getting these cardigans and I think they're super cute. This one was $26, which kind of made my wallet hurt because I feel like I can get this literally anywhere and it's just a white cardigan, but once I try it on, we'll see if it was worth the $26. And then last piece of clothing I'm so excited about these, are these, you can't really see, they're these really thick pink sweatpants. I love sweatpants. Like this dresser right here, that whole on the bottom, you can't really see that one, but that's like my sweatpants and pajama drawer, and it is, I can't even shut it. It's not, I'll show you. Like I can't even shut it. It's just like, it's a lost cause. So, gonna have to figure out where to put these. It's not gonna be a place where sweatpants are because obviously I don't have room for them. But anyways, bought them anyways. They're so soft and they were $28. So literally, where is it? Oh, the cardigan. This, $26, and it's literally like see-through and not thick and not soft, but it's still cute, so it's okay. $26 for that, $2 more, and I got these super cute sweatpants from Brandy Melville. And I like them because they like don't have strings, and strings make me really mad because when I wash things they always come out or get lost in like the waistband, and it makes me really mad. But then I just use them as belts, so I guess it's okay, but you know, I'd rather not have that issue. And the bottoms are also cinched, and I feel like this is gonna be really cute with like a tight cropped t-shirt, or sorry, I'm looking at my closet to think. Yeah, whatever. It'll be cute with like a white top or something. It's like the same color as this t-shirt a little bit. It's a little bit lighter, but I don't know. I have a thing for pink things lately. Okay, next is this belt. They're screaming outside. Anyways, don't know what that was. Here, I'll unwrap it. I cannot tell you how long I have been waiting. Damn. I'm gonna pack this in. It's like a snake skin. Not the actual belt, just the plastic made me think about that. But these like double eyelet black belts. Super cute. Have no idea if it'll fit me or not because, you know, one size, have no clue. It was only $12, which honestly is not bad for like a leather belt. And I feel like in other places like Urban Outfitters, you'll pay like $30-some for just a piece of leather. So I've been waiting forever to buy one of these, and I cannot wait to wear them with jeans or jean shorts with a cute top. Oh my gosh, okay. I'll show you in the try on how I might style those. And lastly, I love scrunchies. Here, 1 second. Okay, I'll just show them to you first because I'm too excited. So I got this, like, it's the same kind of deal as the blue thermal I got. Like, it's kind of the same. This is a bit darker, but it's the same idea. It's the same like fabric. It's really thick and really big. My hair is wet right now, but you can't tell. It's super thick, super long. I just got it cut, but it used to be like down to here. So it was getting a bit crazy. Had to get that chopped off. But anyways, super cute. $3. Steal. Next, I wasn't kidding when I said I was obsessed with pink. So, cheetah print, cute little scrunchie, also $3. Yeah, $3. Sorry, I almost read the. I think that's Canada. I don't know what CAD stands for. I'm gonna assume it's Canada. Don't make fun of me. But cheetah print, pink scrunchie. Can't wait. And then I lost a gray scrunchie exactly like this, and I loved it. So, bought another one. Anyways, what I was gonna show you. So, oh, there's some other random crap in here. This is kind of like very unorganized, but I'm gonna show you anyways. So, right here, this is my scrunchie slash, like, it's my nightstand, so obviously I'm gonna have some melatonin in there. There's like headphones and stuff in the phone case. I have so many scrunchies that I had to put them in their own drawer. Like, it's getting completely out of hand. There's some headbands, but mostly scrunchies, honestly. Some bandanas for who knows why I don't wear them. Anyways, yeah. Might have an issue. but that's fine. Spent like $400 on just scrunchies. But anyways, hopefully I can figure out how to, not how to try on clothes, but how to like insert the clips, because I'm kind of new to this and I really, oh, and my nails are pink. I need to get them redone or filled or something, because this is getting out of hand. But anyways, this is my first video and I probably won't post it, but if I do, I can take that back, I guess. Yeah, I don't really know how to edit. I've been trying to test it out and learn, but yeah, it should be interesting. One video I know for sure that I want to try and do, I move in to my first year of college on Monday/Tuesday. I'm taking 2 trips. But I want to do a dorm room tour, because mine's not like a typical dorm, it's an apartment style. So we have a full kitchen, full living room, and then my roommate has her own room, and then I have my own room, and then we share a bathroom within the apartment. And so it'll basically just be like an apartment tour. And I've bought so much stuff. I'm trying to make it so cute, like cuter than my room, because my room, it's too small for all my crap. Too much clothes, too much random crap that I probably don't need, but I keep anyways. It's gonna be a wild ride. Kenai, come here, buddy. Come here. You better be clean. Come here. He's so cute. All right, say bye. Say bye. Why are you so uninteresting? Whatever. All right. Bye. Hope you enjoyed it. Ow, sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry.